to study the different regions of a candle. Candles produce light by releasing heat. The candle wax reacts with oxygen in the air to produce carbon dioxide. The substances that vaporize while burning produce the flame. A candle flame consists of 3 different zones with different temperatures. Colors tell us the temperature of the flame.
Madam, please explain the different zones of a candle with different temperatures.
Outer zone, middle zone, inner zone. The outermost zone is the hottest among all zones. It is blue in color due to complete combustion of candle wax. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. The middle zone of the candle flame is moderately hot and is yellow in color. Partial combustion of wax takes place in this zone. It is the brightest part of the flame. The innermost zone of the flame is the least hot and is black in color. This is due to the presence of the unburnt wax vapors. Let's perform an experiment to study the different regions of a candle. The materials required are a candle and a matchbox. Procedure: take a candle and light it with the help of a matchstick. Let its flame become steady. Observe the different zones of this flame. Observation: there are 3 distinct zones in a flame. First is the outermost non-luminous zone, which is blue in color. Second is the middle luminous zone, which is yellow in color. Last is the innermost dark zone, which is black in color. Result: the outermost region is blue because there is adequate supply of oxygen, and this part is the hottest of all the regions in the flame. The middle part is yellow in color because it has less supply of oxygen, which causes the rise of unburnt carbon particles. The innermost region is black in color because of the presence of unburnt carbon particles. Do's: put on leather gloves before performing the experiment. Use a big size candle. Don'ts: don't bring the candle near your body and clothes. Don't try to touch the flame.
Thank you, madam. This experiment has made the concept very easy to understand.